Do you prefer matte or glossy tire shine? Let me know in the comments. I'm gonna show you what my favorite is. Hey, I'm Matthew Jones, Harker Heights Ceramic Coatings in Central Texas. Today I'm going to talk to you about Purist T2 Tire Shine. All right, we put our new wheels and tires on our CT4V Blackwing, and now it's time to clean them up and put some tire shine. All right, so I asked you what your favorite type of tire dressing was, matte or glossy. For us, it's matte. So we're going to be using T2 tire and plastic dressing on our tires. Now, the first step in any tire dressing application is cleaning the wheels and tires. And why is that important? Because if you're applying tire dressing over a dirty tire, it's not going to last as long. It's not going to look as good. So we're going to clean our wheels and tires down with a cleaner of your choice. You could clean your wheels with W2 wheel cleaner from Purist. It's a non-acidic wheel cleaner. And then you can use a semi-stiff bristled brush to clean the tires. And we've already done that, and we've got it rinsed off. So we're going to blow dry our wheels and tires. We always want it clean and dry before we apply the tire shine and tire dressing. So I'm going to use a Tornador and compressed air, and we're going to blow this out. So what I'm going to be using to apply this today is an auto fiber tire saver. I love these because they have a stiff backing, and you hold it, it doesn't bleed through. So if you've ever used tire shine and then your hands and gloves are all greasy, you won't get that with this. This has a long pile end, and it kind of gets into the grooves. So we're going to just spray T2 directly into the tire saver applicator. And I'll just do half of it initially so you can see. And we want this to be a subtle change. We don't want this to be a drastic change. And I'm going to use an auto fiber wheel flip to get any additional residue off that I maybe got on the wheel itself. You can also use this to dry up some of the last bit. Okay, so it is a bit of a subtle change, which is what I personally like. You notice it's a little bit blacker and shinier on this side, but it's still a very deep matte finish. And then on this side, it's that kind of just dirty new tire look that has never been shined. And so I'm going to shine this next, and then you'll see like how this all cleans up here. And all these little letters, it's going to help that we have this long pile on the end of the tire saver, getting in those and getting a nice even coat. All right, so I think Purist T2 really completes the look of the wheels and tires. What do you think?